Welcome! Today I will be unboxing food waste. And this sounds ridiculous, but it's actually very genius. So in my day-to-day life, I generally I don't throw away food. I always eat whatever I have, and I also try to be very conscious about what I buy in the shops and minimize the amount of plastic packaging that I consume and buy, and preferably keep it to zero. But this webpage, which is called Food Smart, not sponsored though, they sell food that has either been overproduced or food that's close to the expiration date or something similar, and they sell it at a discounted price, and it's just like up to 90% discounted, so you can actually get so much food for so much less, and you're saving food from going to waste by buying these.
Say what?
This package cost me, I think it was 73 euros, and that is just crazy. That's such a low amount of money for everything I'm about to show you. So let's dive right into this, okay? Am I even gonna finish this before I move? I have like 2.5 months left. Just kidding. It's gonna be gone within a weekend. Trust me. Oh my god, I'm so happy. There's nothing that makes me happier than food, literally. Okay, so let's start. I actually bought a lot of chips too. So these blue corn tortilla chips, I actually saw them in the shops and I really wanted to try them, but then, you know, again, plastic packaging, so I didn't buy them. But then I saw them on the website and was like, maybe I'll save these from going to waste. Yeah, let's do that. So these actually expire in a month and a half. And usually, I guess, chips, when you buy it in the shops, they have like a year at least to live. So a month and a half, understandably, they were discounted. And then we have Oriental chickpea chips, and I'm so excited about these. I'm probably gonna eat them tomorrow or something because it's pretty late now, but yeah, I'm probably gonna eat a lot of this tomorrow, to be honest. Oh my god, chocolate chip cookies, 2 packages with like extra large cookies, and they're with dark chocolate, and it's vegan. They're not so they're not very healthy, they're not gluten-free or anything, but they do not contain any animal products. So that's where I'm at, really. I remember when I went vegan, yeah, side story. When I went vegan, I was very like, oh, things gotta be so healthy, you know, like no sugar, yeah, no oils. Now, is it vegan? Yes? Okay. I'll eat that, yeah, cool. Yeah, you change perspective when you grow up, that's for sure. Okay. Here are wasabi roasted coconut flakes. These sweet chili and red pepper potato chips. I actually thought the packages were a lot bigger, but that's okay. I'm very excited to try these. I love that kind of flavoring, so it should be good. Ooh. So I have 3 packages of these. What are these? Yeah, so these are corn cakes with hemp seeds and black pepper. 3 packages of this. Yep. And yeah, they're not organic. Okay, we have 1 package of vegan mayo. Yeah, I've really come to appreciate vegan mayo. My absolute favorite like thing to have on a sandwich, especially when I'm feeling like something savory, is vegan salami with some vegan mayo. You can tell I'm very passionate about mayo. Okay, I'm so excited about this new protein powder. Yeah, I make myself almost every day. I make myself a protein shake. Great. All the protein. This is gonna go right in here, like literally. Yeah, that's like current arm, future arm when I've eaten it. I have something more unhealthy. I couldn't help myself. So, I don't know, have you tried Skittles? Sour Skittles? I love these things. And so, I had to get 3 packages. Yay. Yeah, I have a lot of friends visiting in a couple weeks, so, you know. I thought, yeah, it's probably a good idea to like order a lot of these things because I think we're all gonna want to like eat it together. I don't know. Shared happiness is double happiness. Shared sadness is half sadness. At least that's what we say in Norway. So we're gonna double this happiness by like 4, 5 people. Yeah. Okay. I am so happy. Like, I cannot explain how happy food makes me, but you might be able to tell. Okay, I got some plant milks too. I got 2 quinoa and coconut drinks. I've never tried these, so I was just like, okay, I gotta, you know, there's something I haven't tried before. Let's go for it. Don't knock it until you've tried it. We got some vegan raspberry licorice. Very excited to try this. Very, very excited. I don't like licorice, that's for sure. Everyone in Finland likes licorice. Everyone in Finland likes licorice. I'm just trying to blend in, yeah. So I had to order these. Oh, what is this? I'm excited. Wow. Oh my god! Yes! Oh yes! It's coconut spread, caramel flavor. Like, oh my god. Yeah, it does not want to focus. There we go. Look at this. Oh, it loves my face, the camera. Let me tell you. Oh, I'm so excited to try this out. Next is lemon lime vitamin water. Yeah, I think this is gonna be very nice. I just wanted to try it, honestly, because, you know, it was gonna be thrown away and it cost me 50 cents each, so, you know, why not? Okay, let's try. Oh my god. Yes, bitch. Look at that bottle in that workout bag. So have you heard of the brand Oatly? It's a Swedish brand that produces milks and yogurts and everything based off of oats. Yeah, Oatly. So I got a package of 12 matcha lattes from Oatly. Like, wow. It's heavy. It's really heavy. Oh, I need that protein. 20 cocoa vanilla energy bars, coffee coconut, I think it's like 20 bowls, raw energy bowls. Raw bowls, 20, like, I think it's 20. No, sorry, 8. 8 cocoa raw bowls. That's, and last but not least, we have organic kidney beans, organic black beans, organic lentils, red lentils, 100 grams of linseeds, because we need those extra omegas in our lives and protein and the rest of the nutrients that are in linseeds. Yes. Okay, truthfully, I was not able to wait until tomorrow, so I'm opening the chips now already. Let's see how it tastes, okay? These are the sweet chili and red pepper chips. So, but I'm still just gonna go in with the finger and yeah. If you've had raw vegan cakes, you'll know what this, like, the consistency, what it's like. Yeah. Let's try this. No! No! My chips! Cool. Signing out. Thank you so much for watching the video, and leave me any comments, questions below. Like the video, because if you've watched until this point, I know you pretty much love it, and you probably love me too, so you know, give it a like. Okay, cool, thanks. And I'll see you in my next video. Okay, bye.